We're going to do a demonstration of the Harper Scientific hand proofer, the Phantom QD Quick Draw. The QD comes with a load table that can be adjusted on each end for the pressure. First step is to take your substrate, you load it into the table, the clip, position this at the end. Now you're ready to load the anilox. This proofer can also use the old style with the hubs all the way out to the end, or the new style proofer with a reduced on each end. Position the bushings on each end of the anilox journal. There's two ways you can load this. The first, you can just insert it like that, using your finger to hold the rubber roll or rotate it around. You can also do the same thing to remove it, just go the opposite way. You can also position it down or on top of the table and go in the opposite direction to load it, the opposite direction to take it out. Now you're ready to position the blade holder. Make sure it clips in on each side. Load your proofer into the table with the first set of hooks on each end. Ready to do the drawdown. You can use a pipette or a spatula to load the ink. Position the pipette in. Make it about 1 inch wide. Using the handle, not the proofer, you're now ready to do your drawdown. After your drawdown is complete, you can remove the proofer, position it over to the cleaning bath, position it back and forth, make sure to work the chemical to the anilox. You then need to neutralize the chemical using water. Alcohol can also be used, or oil-free air. To dry it, you can use a foam book or anything that is lint-free. Make sure you get this completely dry to where the anilox is not showing any water spots or streaks. You can then remove the anilox. Now you're ready to position the anilox for storage, or it's ready for its next use.